for you. Oh, I regret for...
So where are we now, Badet? Where are we now? Mushroom. Give me that one, Daddy. I will show them the the menu. This is ramen restaurant. Yeah. You will find it in Mushroom. Ito pala, nung New Year, Holiday 1-1 ramen mix and match. No. I hate alcohol. Char soup. Pinahulada. That's yours.
Yeah.
It's not available. You can choose here.
Iced tea.
Peach iced tea, I think.
Peach iced tea.
Marunong na mag-post. Saan sila punta? Pumunta sila doon. Ngayon? Ito in order ko to. Chicken, Korean chicken. They have also sushi rolls. Actually, marami kang pamimilian, guys. They have also uncooked roll. I ordered this one. Tempura crispy salmon. They have also sushi platters. Ramen special platter. Sashimi. Punta kayo dun minsan.
James ka nag-alala pang gabi doon.
Oo.
Ang lamig-lamig naman yan. Lamig doon eh. Kasi tabi na tayo. May pasyalan ka parang agad talaga siya. Maday. Medyo ang mapunta na ng sila. Ano old soup?
Yan in Japanese to, guys. And madaming mga Pilipinong pumupunta. Alin? Oh, ito yung unang order namin. Tempura. Yan. Di?
Ayun ang plates.
Good?
Isa ng plates.
Oh, let's go. Ay, mainit pala.
Wala silang masabi.
Meron.
California roll.
Gimaki yan.
Ito yung kay Daddy. Looks nice. Ito wasabi, Badet. Gusto mo wasabi?
Yeah.
Badet likes wasabi. Daddy, your mouth is full. Don't talk when sarap. Nice. Nice daw yan. So, this one is salmon and shrimp, right? Alis nyo na sa... Uy, kuyain nyo na to. Para alisin na nila yan. That one is what? Sapporo. Uy, sir yan. Oh, din ba that? This one is for you?
Yeah.
This one
Beef
is...
ramen.
Beef ramen. Looks yummy. Ito matano yan?
Sapporo.
Pares din Sapporo. May ganyan pa sila. Yung seafood, wala pa. Ano to?
Blue Lagoon po.
Blue Lagoon. Ito sa'yo. Badat sa'yo ito. Strawberry mojito.
Blue Lagoon.
Let's try this one. This is my choice.
Blue Lagoon with vodka.
This is not yours.
Brazilian.
This one, let it try. This is mine. Uy, kuhain nyo na to para kaalisin na nila yan dyan. What can you say about your ramen? Nice? Ikaw, Matt? Nice? Matt, nice? What can you say, ano, Ken?
No, wait. Go for him video who is eating.
Okay, okay.
Let us see. Wow!
Wait.
This is a video. Ito commercial. Okay. That is the best way to eat ramen.
Thank you, Badet. This one is mine.
Yan na siya na, no? Tamis. Sarap. That kimchi is
Kimchi.
kimchi, very special. It's come from Korea. The kimchi.
So, Daddy, what can you say about the experience here in ramen restaurant?
It's nice.
You rate it from 1 to 10.
So,
Why 8 only, not 10? Because
it's good. Very good.
very good. 9 means?
9 meal excellent.
10 means?
Meal very impossible.
Perfect. But then, what can you say about ramen?
Ramen is good. Ramen good. Ramen yummy. Ramen good. Ramen yummy.
You rate it from 1 to 10?
I rate it 10.
10?
Yeah.
Grabe, 10 talaga?
It's nice. Dapat the service, because maybe there's a lot of people now, that's why lack of service sila.
So, yun na yung aftermath namin.
Yaman, ramen, yaman.
Ay, ito lang hindi naubos, pero iti-take out ko to.
Let's go and buy.
Kay Ken talaga, solido eh, wala na natira. Yan, mga mukha na mga busog. O, yan siya, guys. Hindi ka na ba, Dad?
Let's try it, pero wala.
Let's try the what? Ay, meron din sila mga binibenta, oh. Mga keychain.
Ang Korean.
Nail cutter.
Let's go Korea.
This one, Korea or Japan?
Korea.
So, makikita mo lang siya dito sa Moshirib. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito, guys. First time. For how many years? Nang?
Station.
Ayan, oh. Yeah. Ayan. Si Badet? Authentic Korea and ano?
Japanese cuisine.
Yan. Authentic Korea and Japanese cuisine lang, guys. Oh, Moshirib Station, guys. Bababa kayo dyan. Yan.
Go straight down.
Ayan siya. Tapos straight lang kayo dito. Makikita nyo na tong this ramen.
Oh,